as a business owner, as a workshop manager, we need to set aside some time to think about where are the easy wins, the quick wins, and where are the longer term things that we can implement to run a more efficient business. Because that's going to help every other pillar, every other discipline within the business. Effect. Absolutely. So we need to set time aside for that.
Look, that's a lot for the business workshop owners to take on board, and a lot of them are going to want to evolve. There's no doubt about that. But what's the best solution moving forward?
Look, there's a number of solutions in the marketplace at the moment, whether it be about websites, booking solutions, training and workshop development. But what we've found is there's not really anything turnkey like a consolidated solution, and more importantly, that actually works in the best interests of the workshop, that isn't serving somebody else's needs. So, in the case of booking platforms, some of them take the narrative of moving the customer around to different workshops to find the best price each time they need a service. We don't believe that's the way it's done. You find a good mechanic and you stick with them.
Yeah.
And what consumers shouldn't be looking at is not what the cheapest price is, but where's the best value. So we need to deliver something like that. And as I said before, taking a booking, being online is only one part of the puzzle. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that happens in the workshop. So we need a solution that supports the rest of that value chain, the rest of that journey as well. So, in our research, we didn't find anything in the industry that had all that, which is why we've created the Evolve program.
Okay, so what is the Evolve program and what does it include?